Yeah, Vic and Alicia, it seems like the most dangerous profession in Detroit these days seems to be on Bobby Ferguson's defense team. For the second time in this trial, one of his lawyers has been taken to the hospital. Today it was Susan Van Deusen who, in the middle of a short break, slipped on a rug on one of the marble floors here at federal court and landed on her face, possibly breaking her nose. She was taken to the hospital to be checked out, so court had to end early for the day, around 11:15. Before it did, though, Van Deusen was involved in a very heated cross-examination with a former employee of Suave Enterprises named Kathleen McCann. She's testified that her company was put into a forced marriage by Kwame Kilpatrick, who allegedly partnered Suave Enterprises with Ferguson's company, Ferguson Enterprises. Van Deusen tried several times to get McCann to acknowledge that the reason her company was being pushed to partner with Ferguson's was because he was a legitimate minority subcontractor and their original partner was not. They tried to say he was a minority front. But McCann pushed back and said that wasn't the case at all. She said Ferguson was difficult to work with, held up their contract, and could have crippled their company with his demands to be paid sometimes for work that she says he didn't do. Van Deusen agreed that her client, Bobby Ferguson, could sometimes be difficult, but that was only because he was a proud and passionate businessman who was fighting for the well-being of his employees. But again, McCann pushed back. She said the only person Bobby Ferguson was fighting for was himself. Now, tomorrow we do expect the trial will continue with or without Miss Van Deusen, who, as we mentioned, is at the hospital. We expect she'll recover okay. Right now it just appears that she may have suffered a broken nose, but even if she's not here tomorrow, we are told testimony will continue at 9 a.m. and we'll be there. Live at Federal Court downtown, I'm Ross Jones, 7 Action News.